penicillin ushered in the age of antibiotics, countless medical advances improved and extended human life dramatically, thanks to tireless pharmaceutical innovation. As diseases like diabetes, cancer, and autoimmune conditions explode globally, breakthrough medicines target underlying drivers of pathology instead of just minimizing symptoms. This article reviews drugs having enormous clinical and commercial impact already, distilling key lessons for continued success developing the next generation of high-value therapies. Game-changing medicines. From inconspicuous pills to complex biotech, these compounds alleviated patient suffering on unprecedented scales. Aspirin, the ages-old pain and fever reliever, also inhibits clot formation, conferring powerful cardiovascular benefits revealed through evidence-based medicine. Still among the most widely used drugs worldwide. Metformin, the glucophage and dimethylbiguanide class leader combating insulin resistance, remains first-line type 2 diabetes treatment with over 200 million global users presently. Atorvastatin, Lipitor, became both medicine's historic bestseller and foremost weapon against elevated LDL cholesterol and heart disease through immense efficacy trials proving its preventionability. Adalimumab, Humira, standing atop autoimmune therapy through TNF inhibition to treat rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, Crohn's disease, plus more, while launching the era of large molecule biologics. Bevacizumab, Avastin, harnesses anti-angiogenesis, starving tumors of blood flow to become first monoclonal antibody for metastatic cancers with numerous approvals over 15 years. Sofosbuvir, Sovaldi and follow-on hepatitis C regimens deliver over 95% cure rates for this deadly liver infection in just 8 to 12 weeks with fewer side effects, saving millions of lives. Nivolumab, Opdivo, produced durable remissions across deadly cancers like metastatic melanoma by blocking PD-1 to unleash T-cell attacks against tumors, launching immunotherapy's arrival. These powerful medicines share commonalities worth emulating when developing new drugs. 1. Target fundamental pathology pathways. 2. Undergo large-scale randomized trials proving value. 3. Demonstrate superior efficacy over comparators. 4. Maintain acceptable safety profiles. 5. Address widespread unmet need. 6. Gain inclusions on treatment guidelines. 7. Utilize creative access programs when needed. Tips for pharma success. With over 4,500 new medicines under development just in the United States and exponential growth globally, how can firms maximize chances of clinical, regulatory, and commercial success? Here are 20 research-backed tips. 1. Uncover a compelling target mechanism. Pursue well-validated pathways linked clearly to disease. 2. Exhibit pharmacodynamic power relatively quickly during early trials to de-risk large investments later. 3. Conduct epidemiological studies proving target relevance across wider populations. 4. Start pharmacoeconomic modeling early to prep market access strategy. 5. Get target cross-validation through genetics and human knockout studies. 6. Utilize biomarkers stratifying likely responder subgroups beyond general diagnosis labels. 7. Compare early to optimal standard of care, not placebos alone. 8. Model cumulative clinical gains over patient lifetimes, not just short-term studies. 9. Simulate integrated payer budgets, including future cost offsets. 10. Explore orphan indications first to enable more flexible pricing discussions. 11. Build global IP protection through multiple solid patents in key geographies. 12. Seek accelerated regulatory approvals when substituting a surrogate endpoint substantially de-risks development. 13. Develop companion diagnostics alongside therapy to demonstrate precision. 14. Explore novel pricing models like annuities or payment per response when value is gigantic but costs are high too. 15. Target 10 to 15% better efficacy gains over existing approaches, since even small gains trigger guideline updates. 16. Envision adding supportive digital tools into model to improve adherence and sustain potency. 17. Plan indication expansions years ahead to maximize patent-protected revenue potential. 18. Develop extensive pharmacovigilance analytics to defend long-term safety. 19. Be prepared to initiate advanced confirmatory trials if surrogates don't eventually translate into hard clinical endpoints. 20. Start building manufacturing scalability early when margins allow to enable smooth late-stage capacity expansion. The legacy of great medicines. From aspirin's humble analgesic roots to Sovaldi curing deadly hepatitis C with 95% efficacy, medicines positively impacted humanity's well-being for over a century by targeting diseases once believed unbeatable foes. Yet for all their progress combating infection, inflammation, and cancer, only recently did breakthroughs start tackling the very root genetic drivers of pathology by harnessing biotechnology's potential fully. Already, CAR T-cell therapy prompts durable cancer remissions by genetically reprogramming a patient's own lymphocytes to attack malignant tissue relentlessly. Genome editing tools under development promise custom in vivo gene surgery to correct thousands of hereditary conditions at their cellular source code. The future of therapeutics thus appears brighter than ever on both the small molecular and large biologic fronts. Canny targeting fused to computational, analytical, and automation tools streamlines elucidating disease pathways, formulating potential solutions, and testing them efficiently in predictive humanized models, followed by well-designed clinical studies in carefully chosen populations. Meanwhile, sustained technology advances expand possibilities along completely novel trajectories like neoantigen cancer vaccines, intracellular payload delivery platforms, and in silico modeling that reduces invasive animal research. Market pressures may contain costs, but patient demand for life-improving treatments will keep propelling medicine ahead. Perhaps one day posterity will view once feared diseases like cancer or Alzheimer's as manageable or even optionally curable, thanks to the enduring legacy of intrepid pharmaceuticals.